support arrears means that there's already been a court order set for child support, meaning how much and when. So when we start to see arrears, this means that the party, the obligor, that is to pay the child support, either is not paying or they are only partially paying towards the full amount. If in your case you are not being paid child support or you're only being partially paid, the first step you should take is discussing this with the other party. Maybe they've had something happen in their life where they intend to pay, but they've just fallen behind for whatever reason. This is the cheapest and quickest route to go because the party should acknowledge that there are arrears in the case. They can file a stipulation in order of how much arrears are owed and what the payment plan is going to be on those arrears. So for example, your child support payment each month is $500, but there's a balance of $2,000 that's due and owing. Maybe the parties want to agree that the party that is paying child support adds an additional $100 or $200 onto their child support payment each month to fulfill that obligation of the arrears that are owed. Let's say that you've had a discussion with the other party and they do not intend on paying you the child support arrears. Now you must bring this to the court's attention, and you do this by filing a motion for an order to show cause. In this motion, you are detailing for the court what the court order is and how it's not being followed. Next, you are filing what's called a schedule of arrears. This is a financial breakdown for the court to see when the payments are due to you, what has been paid, what's not been paid, or what's been partially paid. The purpose of an order to show cause hearing is for the court to determine if the non-paying party is in contempt of court. If the court finds that they are in contempt, the court now has a couple of different remedies available to it. An extreme remedy would be to jail the other party for their non-payment. We don't see that happen very often because the court doesn't want to put them in jail when they have a job to go to. They could lose their job as a result of being in jail. Another remedy that the court has available to it is to monetarily sanction that party. And lastly, the court could award you your attorney's fees and costs. They could make that a judgment, and especially if the other party is working, that judgment is recoverable. If you are interested in learning more about contempt and child support arrearages, please give our office a call at 702-527-2625. Also, you can find us online at FamilyLawyerLasVegas.com.